absolutely fantastic product for anyone that is doing or anyone that needs, well, everyone that needs copy, landing pages, graphics, video, voiceovers, stock, emails, everything, right? So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we are building your business and giving you everything that you need so that you are arming yourself to be ready to really go and kill it in 2022. So MarketingBlocks, this is going to be your AI powered business in a box. Remember, you can also have commercial rights to this, so you are going to be able to sell these services. So these are businesses that you are going to be able to use. You are going to get the consultancy, the authority builder, review profit. Next is going to be the copy blocks bundle, right? Write all your marketing copy. Now, this is something that I utilize. As you all know, I have a bunch of different tools that does this, and it doesn't even do it as well either. So you are going to get all of the marketing copy for you and your clients just using a keyword, right? So you're going to get commercial rights. You're going to have unlimited rights here. You're going to get their pro, you're going to get their agency, you're going to get their digital marketing agency success pack. Number 3, which I love this software also. I remember doing this promotion, the Video Tours 360. The ease of use in utilizing their video tours compared to some of the other video software that's out there, absolutely, positively outstanding. Also, in the world of Omicron and everything that we're going through right now, 360 video, hands-off video is still a hot commodity, and this one does it better than almost all of them on the market. You're going to get the commercial, you're going to get the pro, you're going to get the agency toolkit. Number 4, ADA bundle lawsuits. You all know that I come from working with lawyers for a very long time. So understanding lawsuits and understanding how you need to be compliant, then you are going to have that compliancy. You are getting the whole enchilada: commercial, pro unlimited, ADA bundle agency and consulting, local agency box and local video kit. You are also going to get the ClientFinda. So if you are, everyone needs to find new clients. So advanced leads generation tech, finding your clients. So you have your copywriting, you have your ability to do copywriting for others, you have your legal aspect of it. It's just checking off all of the boxes, right? And then last but not least, you need to find the clients who you are going to sell with. So you're going to get the commercial, the pro unlimited, outreacher. You're going to get the done for you digital marketing agency. So everything, whole enchilada. And to top it off, last but not least, their Vidjack, which is YouTube or Vimeo video to drive massive traffic, conversions, and sales. You're going to get Vidjack commercial, Vidjack pro, and the agency and the consulting toolkit. You